Hey everybody, this is Kris from Graves Pools and Spas, and I want to talk a little bit about test kits. If you have a pool or a spa, you're probably familiar with test strips. They're good. They'll get you in the ballpark. One problem that people don't realize with the test strips is the day you open them, they start testing the humidity in the air. So basically, if you're gonna use test strips from the day you open them, you need to use all 50 strips within 60 days. That pretty much goes for all test strips. But let's talk a little bit more about a drop test kit. Some people are afraid of them. They think that you have to be a scientist or a chemist to run these, but I'm gonna show you how simple it is to do a drop test kit. This right here is a Taylor two-way test kit. It tests pH and chlorine. It's the only two things that you need to get right to keep your pool clean. If we open this kit up, we've got our test file, we've got our test reagents, and we've got some instructions. The yellow bottles on the yellow side test the chlorine. The red bottles on the red directions are for the pH. If I take a little bit of pool water, we're gonna fill the water up to the line, to the fill lines, and it's this easy. On the chlorine side, it's gonna be 5 drops of number 1, 5 drops of the second bottle, and now we're gonna move to the pH side. 5 drops of the red on the pH side. We're gonna put the cap on, we're gonna invert a few times, and we're gonna look at these colors, but we always wanna look at our colors against something white. Oh, this is an interesting pool. This one has sky-high chlorine. It has approximately a 7 or an 8 ppm chlorine. On the pH side, we're at a 6.7, which is very, very low. But you can see this test kit is very accurate. If you were handling this at home, I would suggest bring this water in because we probably have to test it with a bigger kit that might test for alkalinity. But the Taylor test kit is the kit for every homeowner to have to keep their pool clean and safe. And that's how easy it is to test with the two-way test kit. If you have any questions or concerns, or you want to learn a little water chemistry beyond what you already know, come on into Graves Pools and Spas. We do free water testing, and we can talk about it all you want. Hope you have a great day.